students, let's continue with practice set 3.2, sum number 5. There are two circles, a circle with center A and a circle with center B. There is a tangent L which touches the first circle in point C and the second circle in point D. We are supposed to find distance CD, to find seg CD. Now, in the diagram given in the textbook, they have only given the points. They have not drawn these lines. So you have to write, draw seg AC, BD, join A and B, join the centers A and B, passing through point E, and all these points will be collinear. अरे बराबर, because these are circles touching externally. कल के लेक्चर में हमने देखा था, बराबर है? You have to do one more construction. You have to write draw seg AM perpendicular to radius BD. Right? Draw. Take a point N. Take a point M. Take a point M on seg BD such that AM is perpendicular to seg BD. ऐसा लिखो. Okay? Then I will write solution के लिए, see, we are supposed to find CD. So the first thing is quadrilateral AMBC. My first step is quadrilateral AMBC. Shallow. In quadrilateral AMBC, measure angle ACD is equal to 9 tan. Reason tangent theorem. Any props? No props. This is 9 tan. This is a tangent, this is a radius. जब tangent और radius joined होंगे तो angle 90 डिग्री का बनेगा. Similarly here, measure angle BDC is equal to 9 tan. Reason tangent theorem. Any props? No props. Next, measure angle AMD is equal to 9 tan. Reason construction. Therefore, measure angle MAC is equal to 9 tan. Reason remaining angle of a quadrilateral. Okay. Therefore, quadrilateral AMBC is all angles are right angle, so it is a rectangle. Any props? No props. My first step is clear. Rectangle का opposite sides are equal. Seg AC is equal to seg MD is equal to 4 centimeters or units, whatever is given there. See, 4 है ये radius, तो ये भी 4 होगा. अरे बराबर. Seg AM is equal to seg CD dash 1. इधर दोनों का reason opposite sides of rectangle. Any props? No props. So this is 4. And AM and CD are equal dash 1. Okay. Now see this BD is 6 ना, radius बड़े सर्कल का 6 है, इसमें ये 4, तो ये कितना 2. So I will write B dash M dash D BM plus MD is equal to BD. BM पता है क्या? नहीं। MD पता है क्या? 4 6, तो BM इज इक्वल टू 6 माइनस 4 दैट इज 2, तो BM इज 2, तो BM इज 2। अरे बराबर, आगे चलते हैं। AC is 4, so AE will be 4, AC is 4, so AE will be 4, BD is 6, so BE will be 6, रेडियस है ना। AC is equal to AE is equal to 4, BE is equal to BD is equal to 6, radii of same circle, radii of same सर्कल। तो पहला स्टेप मेरा क्वाड्रिलेटरल AMDC हो गया। दूसरा स्टेप मेरा ट्रायंगल बाम इज माय सेकंड स्टेप। ओके, नाउ बाम ट्रायंगल देखो, बाम BAM, बाम में BM मालूम है 2, AB 4 और 6, टोटल कितना होएगा? 10। तो कैसे होएगा 10? लिख देते हैं A', E', B circles by theorem on circles touching externally, एक ही साथ होते हैं ना वो लोग। so AE plus EB is equal to AB, therefore AB is equal to 4 plus 6 is equal to 10, तो ये 10 हो गया, ये 10, ये 2, तो पाइथ्या चाचा इन ट्राइंगल बाम ट्राइंगल measure angle AMB is 90, therefore by पायथ्या चाचा काय म्हणतात पायथ्या चाचा? hypotenuse square AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square. hypotenuse is the side which is opposite to 90, AB है ना, तो 10 is equal to AM plus 2, 10 square is 100, 2 square is 4, AM square, therefore AM is equal to 96 का स्क्वायर रूट, 96 means 16 6 4 रूट 6 आएगा। AM is 4 रूट 6, 96 का स्क्वायर रूट निकालने का बस ध्यान देना, डायरेक्ट निकाल लेंगे। AM मिल गया, तो AM और CD इक्वल है ना, वन में देखो ना, so I will write therefore AM is equal to CD is equal to 4 रूट 6 from 4 रूट 6, शायद यही फाइंड करना है CD। This is practice set 3.3 sum number 1. Now before understanding sum number 1, you have to understand the basic concepts of the circle. The basic concept number 1 is the angle formed at the center is called as a central angle. Once again, the angle formed at the center is called as a central angle. The central angle is congruent to the corresponding arc. The central angle is congruent to its corresponding arc. मतलब ये जो central angle है ना, नाम है एंगल ECF. Measure angle ECF is equal to measure arc EF. Reason: central angle is congruent to corresponding arc. Hope you understand. Once again, if this is 70 degrees, so this arc also will be 70 degrees. Any props? No props. Once again, this is 70, so this arc also will be 70. This we have studied in standard 9th में किया है, but it's okay. जिसको नहीं भी याद है चलेगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा। ये 70 तो ये 70। Now the circle, see the circle, पहला आर्क ये बोला 200, this is 70, सिर्फ एक ही आर्क बचा है। Total measure of arc of the circle is always 360 degrees. So I will write measure angle ECF is equal to measure arc EF is equal to 70 degrees. इधर ही लिख दो ना, टेंशन खत्म हो जाए। अब measure arc DE plus measure arc EF plus measure arc DG GF DGF is equal to 360 measure of arc of circle टोटल 360 रहता है, 1 2 3 आर्क का टोटल 360, उसमें मेजर आर्क डी नहीं मालूम है, EF है 76, DGF है 200, टोटल है 360. So measure arc DE is equal to 360 minus 270, 90 degrees. Any props? This is 90 degrees. शायद मेजर आर्क डी फाइंड करना था, ये देखो ना डी हो गया. आगे मेजर आर्क DEF is divided into two arcs, DE and EF. Measure arc DEF is equal to measure arc DE plus measure arc EF. Reason? Arc addition property. Arc addition property. So measure arc DEF is equal to 9 type plus 7 type, that is equal to 16 type. शायद यही फाइंड करना था. Easy. Question number 2. Triangle QRS is an equilateral triangle. QRS is an equilateral triangle. Reason? G1. Therefore, seg QR is congruent to seg RS equal to is equal to seg QS. Sides of equilateral triangle. These are sides of equilateral triangle, but these are also chords of the circle. वो chord भी है. Therefore, chord QR is equal to chord RS is equal to chord QS. Chords भी है. Now, theorem देखते हैं क्या है, क्या लॉजिक अप्लाई करेंगे. If the chords are congruent, then the arcs associated with that chords are also congruent. Once again, if the chords are congruent, then the arcs subtended or associated with them are also congruent. मतलब लॉजिक ये है कि अगर ये कॉर्ड और ये कॉर्ड इक्वल है तो इन्होंने एक आर्क सबटेंड किया है, वो भी इक्वल रहेगा. अगर तीनों कॉर्ड इक्वल है तो तीनों आर्क भी इक्वल है. शायद यही प्रूव करता है. अरे बराबर है. सो आई विल राइट देयरफॉर arc RS congruent to arc QS congruent to arc QR. Arcs subtended by congruent chords, या तो arcs associated with congruent chords. पहला यही प्रूव करना है. इजी था क्या हार्ड था? बहुत इजी था, मतलब मेरे हिसाब से. आगे चलते हैं. नेक्स्ट, we are supposed to find measure arc QRS as 240. QRS ये दो आर्क का टोटल 240 होना चाहिए, बट यू डोंट नो एनी आर्क ना. तो सपोज तीनों आर्क इक्वल है तो x डिग्री कर लेते हैं. सो लेट मेजर आर्क RS is equal to measure arc QS is equal to measure arc QR is equal to x डिग्री. मान लो कि सब x है. टोटल measure arc RS plus measure arc QS plus measure arc QR total will be 360. अभी मैंने सिखाया था measure of arc of circle total 360. So this is x plus x plus x is equal to 360. 3x 360 x 120. If I got x as 120, therefore measure arc QR is equal to measure arc RS is equal to measure arc QS is equal to 120. अरे बराबर है. तो this is also 120, this is also 120. Total will be 240. therefore measure RQRS is equal to measure RQR plus measure RRS, that is arc addition property, arc addition property. So 120 plus 120, therefore measure RQRS is equal to 240. शायद यही प्रूव करना है. इजी क्या? Last question of the practice set. We are supposed to prove that arc AC is congruent to arc BD, and it is given that, I will write proof. Given that chord AB is congruent to chord CD. Given. If chords are congruent, तो अभी सिखाया ना मैंने, तो arcs associated with them will be congruent. Therefore, measure arc AB is equal to measure arc CD. I will write arcs associated with congruent chords. Okay, arc AB congruent to arc CD. अरे बराबर है. This is, चलो AB congruent to CD, इसको ही आगे बढ़ाते हैं. Measure arc AB is divided into two parts, AC and BC. AB के दो पार्ट है, देखो ना, AC BC, AC BC, AC BC AB. So I'll write therefore measure arc AC plus measure arc BD is equal to, CD के भी दो पार्ट है, देखो ना, BC और BD. Measure arc BC plus measure arc BD, arc addition property. यहां भी सॉरी AC प्लस BC ना, BD कहां से लिख रहे हैं, यहां भी BC यहां भी BC, दोनों साइड BC, तो BC BC कट जाएगा, तो बचेगा मेजर आर्क AC इज इक्वल टू मेजर आर्क BD. शायद यही प्रूव करना है. आर्क AC is congruent to arc BD.